he used options on this Bank of America and he made $12 billion in 2 months. He made $12 billion in 2 months. Actually, Warren Buffett made $12 billion is like nothing much already, correct? But do you know the capital he used, right, is less than $5 billion. So he used $5 billion to make $12 billion. Is that impressive? I became very excited, so I began to ask the Buffett family again, and then I began to learn, right, options actually there's many other ways to use. So there's ways, right, to actually buy options to go up, to go down, and I realized right now all I learn is how to make money going up. Do you think when stock market go down you can make money? You can, but you have to do it very correctly. And I realized that Warren Buffett, he likes to actually make money going up, all going up, okay? But I realized using options you can go up, go down, go sideways, also make money. It's very interesting. So let me give you an example of how I use option. I use option on this particular company called Riot. And I want to show the potential, okay? Now, this Riot company, let me explain to you. Can you see it's called Riot Blockchain? Okay, do you know what's blockchain? What's the famous thing about blockchain? Bitcoin's cryptocurrency, right? So have you heard of cryptocurrency before? Okay, please don't invest in cryptocurrency unless you know what's happening. But invest in options, right? Give you a lot of opportunity. So let me show you how I do it. It's quite exciting, okay? So now, it actually happened in, I think the date is 2017. I remember about 2 years ago, Bitcoin cost $10,000. You all remember, you all hear things like that, wow, Bitcoin go up very high? Okay, this part very interesting. If you all can understand, I explain a bit more. So now at this point in time, right, do you think Bitcoin will continue to go up or drop down? Actually, we don't know back then, right? But the PayPal CEO said that, oh, Bitcoin will be worth 1 million. Now 10,000 only, will be worth 1 million. Warren Buffett said, I think Bitcoin will be jalat. So different experts say different things. Very confusing. So that time, right, I decided to test out the new option strategy that I've been learning from the Buffett family and from the people around me. So you can see, I want to share with you, right, option, you can actually buy a bit of option and lock in the price. Remember just now, Mr. Bean locked in the price on me? I can actually become like Mr. Bean and lock in the price on Bitcoin. Understand so much? Roughly, I can lock in the price and say that Bitcoin maybe can go up. Okay, and then I also can lock in the price and say Bitcoin can go down. So the cool thing is this, even if you don't know which direction the stock is going, you can also use option strategy to lock in the price. Okay, am I sharing too much already? Are you okay? Can I see your face like ting, like a bit gone already. Okay, so let me share with you what happened. I actually put in a bit of money. I spent 1,002 to actually buy an option on Bitcoin up and 1,002 to buy an option of Bitcoin down. Okay, so altogether I spent how much, everybody? 2,004. Okay, let me show you what happened. And this strategy is a very safe strategy, and at the same time, right, I want to explain to you, this strategy is super powerful and very suitable for those who have much smaller capital. You don't even need 1,002 to do this. You have $120 can do it. Okay, but I explain to you. So I don't know whether you can see now. I key in the portion, and then you guess what happened? Bitcoin went up or down from 10,000. It actually went up. From 10,000, it went up to 16,000. Okay, it went up by 60%. Okay, so that time, right, I was actually in KL 2018. So that one was 2017. 1 month later, I was in KL, and then I showed them the account. So this one was a real life account. This is the portion that I bet that the Bitcoin go up. Can you see how much money I make? That 1,002 transformed into 44,000. Can you see? Now, I realized actually you use option, there's a very powerful mechanism to increase the returns a lot. Okay? So it went up. If it went up, I make money. But the one that went down actually 1,002. Can you see? I spent 1,002, then I lost 1,002. Understand? But altogether, I spent 2,004. How much did I make? Okay, how much did I make? Okay, I show you. So for this one, within 1 month, my total profits is 44,000. My capital is 2,004. My ROI is 1,800. Then I begin to realize, wow, this is how Warren Buffett make a quick 12 billion using Bank of America, using options. But you know what's the interesting thing? After Bitcoin went up, what happened? It actually dropped under crazy, right? So I want to share this portion. I didn't know whether it will go up or down. But the cool thing is when you use option correctly, you don't even need to know whether it's going up or down. You just need to know if go up, you make money, go down, also make money. On certain conditions, okay? But the key thing is, I know that Bitcoin will definitely move. Too much news already. So it actually went down. By July, right, it went down and then dropped to $6,000. Wow, from 16,000 dropped to 6,000. And then remember, I still got the position that say that it go down. That one I still have. So I show you. The one that actually goes down, initially is 1,002 negative, correct? Becomes 110,000. This is the potential. This is the potential. So within 7 months, 7 months, my total profits, right, add up to 159,000. But they all remember what's my capital? It's 2004. So this one is really, I realized, wow, okay, this one is a very, very, I would say, powerful scenario. Not every scenario I make so much, but I just show you the potential. Okay, sometimes maybe from 2,000 I make another 1,000 or 2,000. Not every time I make 100,000, but I show you the one that actually got the potential one. Okay, again. So my ROI was quite a lot. And the cool thing is, right, if you got 1,000, it becomes a 65,000. And this method, right, you just need maybe 200, 300, 500 also can start. You also can start. Okay, this is the power of options. Everyone say options. And the cool thing is this, if you invest 1,000, that's your maximum risk. You don't need to, later have to top up money and all that. Don't have one. But your maximum gain, right, is unlimited. It's unlimited. So options can help you to limit risk. Everybody say low risk. Lesser risk, but it has unlimited returns. So this is how powerful I think it is. Okay, so I want to, after I show you guys all the making of money, very exciting, right? I want to go back to investment rule number 1, which is, everybody let's say together, rule number 1 is never lose money. So okay, I